Now, I'll describe the outline of the pallet changer and the advantages of using it. The pallet changer is a system where the setup area is separated from the machining area, with a partition on one machine. Finished workpieces can be changed outside while machining new workpieces inside. Machining is suspended only while the pallet is turning to change workpieces. The pallet changer eliminates wasted time in workpiece change, and provides consistent high productivity. So, in what situations does the pallet changer demonstrate its abilities? When operating machining centers, there are risks of variation or stoppage caused by the operator or the machine, including the loading robot. The pallet changer effectively minimizes these risks. We've set 5 keywords: process integration, short cycle time, long workpiece change time, handling multiple machines, and automation. I'll describe these keywords in detail. The first keyword is process integration. As the pallet changer is equipped with a two-face table, 2 processes can be integrated and performed on one machine. There are cases where the cycle time is different in these 2 processes. If not using a pallet changer in these cases, completion of machining depends on the process with the longer cycle time and workpiece change time. In contrast to this, the time taken by the R-Series is 98 seconds in total. 95 seconds for the average cycle time of 2 processes, and 3 seconds for pallet change time. This leads to improvement in line balance. Process integration provides more advantages. When expanding the production line for parts that require 2 processes, 2 machines have to be added for each process in general. In addition, if a problem occurs in either machine, this production line stops. For the R-Series, however, machines can be added one by one according to the production volume. Even if one machine stops, another machine can continue production, which minimizes the impact. The second keyword is short cycle time. Workpieces with short cycle time have to be changed frequently, so the workpiece setup time increases accordingly. That is, when using machines with a one-face table, the productivity is lower. The R-Series can provide high productivity by quick pallet change with minimal stoppage time. The third keyword is long workpiece change time. There are various reasons for this. There may be cases where many workpieces have to be removed and attached at a time. There also may be cases where the jig must be washed thoroughly to prevent deterioration in machining accuracy. Although manual clamp jigs are more universal and inexpensive, longer time is needed to remove and attach workpieces. For the R-Series, finished workpieces can be changed outside while machining new workpieces inside. This creates some allowance for work, leading to improvement in both quality and productivity. The fourth keyword is handling multiple machines. A big disadvantage of non-pallet changer machines is that workpieces cannot be changed until the current machining is completed. When machining finishes, the operator has to stand by in front of the machine, otherwise the machine stops. This is wasted time for operators, and causes loss in productivity. For the R-Series, workpieces on the outer pallet can be changed even during machining. This minimizes operation stoppage due to workpiece change. In addition, as one operator can handle multiple machines, this helps reduce man-hours. The last keyword is automation. Recently, There are more cases where workpieces are changed by robots even in lines other than mass production lines. Using robots can secure consistent production output, but is slower. Setting workpieces outside on the pallet changer is best for compensating for the time taken by robots. While maximizing the advantages of robots, the R-Series achieves both consistent high productivity and automation. So far, I have described the advantages of the pallet changer. Now, I'll describe the difference between the standard pallet changer and the R-Series quick turn table. As shown in the illustration on the left, the general pallet changer uses forks to lift up the pallet. It operates in a cycle of lift, turn 180 degrees, and lower. During this cycle, chips drop onto the tapered cone where the pallet is clamped, and this may affect accuracy. In addition, there is a risk that the pallet cannot be held correctly due to chips or carbon adhered to the forks, and falls when it turns. The Speedio's quick turn table uses a non-lifting structure. So, it is highly reliable without these concerns, and achieves very fast pallet change.